100 grams, onion cut in slice. 100 grams, garlic cut in slice. Ginger 3 tsp, grate. 1 tomato, cut in thin slices. 6 to 7 green chilies cut in slices. Tamarind water, 20 milliliters. 1 kilogram chicken. Rice 750 grams, soaked in water, 30 to 40 minutes. Biryani masala, 3 tsp. Red chili powder 1 tsp. Salt to taste. Garam masala, a quarter tsp. Food color, 2 pinches. A quarter cup oil. Add onion. Add garlic. Mix and fry until color are golden brown. Add a quarter cup water. Mix. Add chicken. Mix and fry. Add salt. Add ginger. Mix and fry. Color or change the chicken. Add tomato. Add green chilies. Add spices. Mix well. Add a cup of water. Cover with the lid for 5 minutes. Add rice. Add a cup water. Mix gently. Add tamarind water. Add green chilies. Add garam masala. Add food color. Cover with the lid. After whistle 1 minute, steam release, then open the lid. Super delicious and spicy biryani. Rate, like, share. To watch more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Kun Food Official.